Welcome to our exploration of green factories and the role of industrial microbiology in combating climate change. As global temperatures rise and environmental concerns intensify, industries are searching for innovative solutions to reduce their carbon footprint. One promising approach is harnessing the power of microorganisms to transform manufacturing processes. In this video, we'll uncover how microbes are revolutionizing factories, making them more sustainable and environmentally friendly. Let's dive into the world where science meets industry for a greener future. Industrial microbiology is the application of microorganisms to industrial processes. These tiny organisms, such as bacteria, yeast, and fungi, are used to produce valuable products, clean up waste, and even generate energy. By leveraging their natural abilities, industries can replace traditional, polluting methods with cleaner alternatives. Industrial microbiology is at the heart of many green factory initiatives, offering sustainable solutions that benefit both the planet and the economy. Microbes are often overlooked, but they play a crucial role in environmental protection. In green factories, these organisms are used to break down pollutants, recycle waste, and produce renewable materials. Their versatility and efficiency make them ideal partners in the fight against climate change. By integrating microbes into industrial processes, factories can significantly reduce emissions and waste, paving the way for a cleaner, healthier planet. Bioremediation is a process where microbes are used to clean up contaminated environments. In factories, bioremediation helps remove harmful chemicals from wastewater and soil. This approach not only reduces pollution but also restores ecosystems. By deploying specialized bacteria and fungi, industries can tackle tough environmental challenges without relying on harsh chemicals. Bioremediation is a shining example of how industrial microbiology supports sustainability. Biofuels are produced by microbes that convert organic materials into energy-rich compounds. Factories are increasingly turning to biofuels as a renewable alternative to fossil fuels. By using waste products from agriculture and industry, microbes generate clean energy that powers manufacturing processes. This reduces reliance on oil and coal, lowers greenhouse gas emissions, and supports a circular economy. Biofuels are a key component of green factories. Traditional plastics are a major source of pollution, but microbes offer a sustainable solution. In green factories, bacteria and yeast are engineered to produce bioplastics from renewable resources. These bioplastics are biodegradable and reduce the environmental impact of packaging and products. By shifting to microbial production, industries can help solve the global plastic crisis and promote eco-friendly manufacturing. One of the most exciting developments in industrial microbiology is microbial carbon capture. Certain microbes can absorb carbon dioxide from factory emissions and convert it into useful products. This process not only reduces greenhouse gases, but also creates valuable materials like biofuels and bioplastics. Microbial carbon capture is a powerful tool for factories aiming to achieve net zero emission. Factories generate large amounts of wastewater, which can harm the environment if not properly treated. Industrial microbiology offers advanced solutions for wastewater management. Microbes break down organic pollutants, neutralize toxins, and purify water before it's released. This ensures that factory operations don't contaminate rivers and lakes, protecting both wildlife and communities. Microbial enzymes are powerful catalysts used in many factory processes. They speed up chemical reactions, reduce energy consumption, and minimize waste. By replacing traditional chemical catalysts with enzymes, factories can operate more efficiently and sustainably. This innovation is transforming industries ranging from textiles to food production, making them greener and more competitive. The textile industry is notorious for its environmental impact, but industrial microbiology is changing that. Microbes are used to dye fabrics, process fibers, and treat waste, all with minimal pollution. This shift to microbial methods reduces water usage, chemical runoff, and energy consumption. Sustainable textile production is a prime example of how green factories are reshaping traditional industries. Food factories rely on microbes for fermentation, preservation, and waste management. Industrial microbiology enables the production of healthier foods, reduces spoilage, and manages organic waste. By integrating microbes into food processing, factories can lower their environmental impact and deliver better products to consumers. This approach is essential for sustainable food manufacturing. Green factories are embracing the circular economy, where waste is minimized and resources are reused. Industrial microbiology plays a key role by converting waste into valuable products such as biofuels and bioplastics. This closed-loop system reduces environmental harm and supports sustainable growth. The circular economy is a guiding principle for modern green factories. Industrial microbiology helps factories reduce their greenhouse gas emissions through innovative processes. Microbes can capture carbon dioxide, produce clean energy, and break down harmful chemicals. These strategies are essential for meeting climate targets and protecting the environment. By adopting microbial technologies, industries can become leaders in climate action. Construction materials like cement and concrete have a high carbon footprint. Industrial microbiology is introducing new ways to produce eco-friendly building materials. Microbes can create biocement, repair cracks, and even grow bricks from organic waste. These innovations reduce emissions and support sustainable urban development. Air pollution is a major concern in industrial areas. Green factories use microbes to filter and purify air, removing harmful particles and gases. This technology improves air quality for workers and nearby communities. Microbial air purification is a practical solution for cleaner, healthier industrial environments. Mining is often associated with environmental damage, but microbes are changing the game. Industrial microbiology enables biomining, where bacteria extract metals from ores with minimal pollution. This process reduces toxic waste and supports responsible resource extraction. Microbial mining is a step toward greener, more sustainable industries. Paper factories are adopting microbial technologies to reduce their environmental impact. Microbes help break down wood fibers, bleach pulp, and treat waste. This reduces chemical use, energy consumption, and pollution. Microbial paper production is a model for sustainable manufacturing in the pulp and paper industry. Electronics manufacturing generates hazardous waste, but microbes offer eco-friendly solutions. Industrial microbiology is used to recycle electronic components, recover precious metals, and treat toxic byproducts. This reduces landfill waste and supports sustainable technology production. Microbial solutions are helping electronics factories go green. Agricultural factories use microbes to produce fertilizers, manage waste, and improve crop yields. Industrial microbiology enables sustainable farming practices that reduce chemical use and support soil health. By integrating microbes into agriculture, factories can boost productivity and protect the environment. Pharmaceutical factories rely on microbes to produce medicines, vaccines, and supplements. Industrial microbiology ensures efficient, sustainable production with minimal waste. By harnessing microbial processes, pharmaceutical industries can reduce their environmental impact and deliver life-saving products. Packaging is a major source of waste, but microbes are providing sustainable alternatives. Industrial microbiology enables the production of biodegradable packaging materials from renewable resources. This reduces landfill waste and supports eco-friendly consumer products. Sustainable packaging is a vital part of green factory operations. Cosmetics factories are turning to microbes for sustainable production. Industrial microbiology enables the creation of natural ingredients, reduces chemical use, and manages waste. This approach supports eco-friendly beauty products and minimizes environmental harm. Microbial innovation is transforming the cosmetics industry. Energy storage is crucial for renewable power, and microbes are playing a role. Industrial microbiology enables the development of biobatteries and microbial fuel cells. These technologies store energy efficiently and reduce reliance on toxic materials. Microbial energy storage is supporting the transition to clean power in factories. Water conservation is a priority for green factories. Industrial microbiology enables efficient water recycling and purification. Microbes treat wastewater, recover valuable resources, and ensure safe water discharge. This supports sustainable factory operations and protects local water supplies. Logistics and supply chains are adopting microbial technologies to reduce emissions and waste. Industrial microbiology enables eco-friendly packaging, fuel alternatives, and waste management. These innovations support sustainable transportation and efficient factory operations. Urban development is embracing green factories powered by microbes. Industrial microbiology supports eco-friendly construction, waste management, and energy production. These innovations help cities grow sustainably, reduce pollution, and improve quality of life for residents. Climate resilience is essential for factories facing extreme weather and environmental challenges. Industrial microbiology enables adaptive processes, such as microbial soil improvement and waste management. These solutions help factories withstand climate impacts and maintain sustainable operations. Automation is transforming factories, and microbes are part of the innovation. Industrial microbiology enables automated waste treatment, product synthesis, and quality control. These technologies improve efficiency, reduce labor costs, and support sustainable manufacturing. While industrial microbiology offers many benefits, there are challenges to overcome. Factories must invest in research, adapt to new technologies, and ensure safety. However, the opportunities for sustainability, innovation, and climate action are immense. By embracing microbial solutions, industries can lead the way to a greener future. Green factories powered by industrial microbiology are shaping the future of manufacturing. By harnessing the power of microbes, industries can reduce their environmental impact, support climate goals, and drive sustainable growth. As technology advances, the possibilities for microbial innovation will continue to expand. Together, we can build a cleaner, greener world with science and industry working hand in hand.